Hi guys, and welcome to the fifth and final day of Halloweek. Hope you've all had a fantastic Halloween, whatever you were doing. Now, the one thing I find is that yes, Halloween's gone, but pumpkin spice lives for the rest of the autumn. So that's what we're going to do in today's baking. We're going to use pumpkin spice and put it into a banana loaf. First of all, you will need some very basic ingredients. It is 100 grams of butter, softened at room temperature. You will need 200 grams of caster sugar. You will need 250 grams of self-raising flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Again, I love these little sachets, they're so easy. 2 eggs, which I've got in there. 3 bananas, all mashed up. If you can make them ripe bananas, that's the best to use. 2 tablespoons of milk, and finally your pumpkin spice, which currently consists of ground ginger, cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice and cloves. You'll also need a loaf tin. As a first step, you're going to want to put your oven on 180 degrees to heat up. Secondly, you're going to want to grab a mixing bowl and just put all the ingredients, this is why it's really easy, put all the ingredients in the mixing bowl at once. Just spoon that in there, no problem. This flour has already been sifted, but if yours isn't, that's probably best to do it first. In goes the baking powder. Like I said, 2 tablespoons of milk. Maybe a little bit more for extra measure. In your eggs. And then finally, once everything's in, the pumpkin spice. Just going to want to mix it all together. At the moment it looks a bit like a weird mixture, but it does come together. And then once that's all mixed in, you're going to want to get some non-stick baking paper, fine scissors, and cut it enough that it will fit in here. And then you just want to put it on top. If you want to use any butter or anything to stick it to the top, then by all means. But I'm going to use the weight of the cake to stick it instead, to weigh it down. So bit by bit, I'm just going to spoon this mixture into the container, into the tin. Then once that's all in there, just chuck it in the oven. That's now going to want to bake for 1 hour, approximately, give or take about 10 minutes. And there we go, 1 hour is up. Let's get the baking out. And there is the finished product. So that is it from me for Halloweek. Thank you for watching. I'll be back to my normal routine from now onwards. Hope you have a great day. Bye.